You've trained for the mission, rehearsed the terrain, checked the gear, but have you measured the operator? U.S. Special Operations Command operates by the philosophy, humans are more important than hardware. The operator is the human weapon system. Technology may accelerate the mission, but the operator executes it. Body, mind, character determine whether a mission succeeds or fails. Yet Department of War struggles with measuring readiness of these. Operators are assessed tech readiness by past performance, hoping nothing has changed since the last mission. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance tells you where the threat is. Signals tell you when it moves. Nothing tells you if your operator is ready for the mission. Until now. SenseiiWyze predicts operator tech capability under pressure. Before the mission, before the risk, before the training cost. Know who leads the team. Know who is resilient during warfare and pressure. Don't guess. Measure readiness. Weaponize speed. Pilot SenseiiWyze today.